And here next to me we have the ATO Lab, which is an ultrasonic atomizer that we redesigned for this year's Formnext. It allows us to make powders from any alloys and from any feedstock. It is a modular device specialized for research with open parameters, and we are able to make any powder out of it. This year we introduced our new solution, ATO Pure. It's an ultrasonic cleaner for metal powders, which provides better 3D printed parts quality. The device works with a universal ATO powder container, just clean and dry powder with an automatic mode. And also, while redesigning ATO Lab for this year's Formnext, we of course couldn't forget about ATO Noble. That's also got its own design change. ATO Noble is an atomizer specialized specifically to process precious metals. It has a filtration system that minimizes material loss and leads to maximal materials recovery. So ATO Cast, it's our self-sufficient device that can be used for material development, for preparing alloys, and also for recycling of the material. Let's see how it looks like in the process chamber. So in principle, this is the vacuum induction melting furnace that's working with max temperature of 3000 Celsius degrees. We melt and prepare the alloying in the crucible using the induction, and with the use of the mold we can prepare such beautiful rods that are also ready for the atomization. This is the ATO Wipe. In principle, it works that we have the spool of the wire that is dirty that gets through our machine. It is getting cleaned using the ultrasonic, and here on this spool we attach the clean wire ready to use for the ATO. Why it's important to clean your wire for the atomization? As many of our customers, they get impurities in the powder, especially when they buy their wires from external suppliers, and it is really crucial for them to clean the wire before the atomization. And our big launch on this year's Formnext is ATO Sparq Pro, which is ATO Sparq with the induction melting system. It is a smart, stable and self-learning machine that is ready for AI revolution in atomization and additive manufacturing. The ATO Sieve, our ultrasonic sieving station that is compatible with our powder containers that we take out from ATO and can simply attach to our sieving station. Its main feature is that the sieving happens in the inert atmosphere, and the presence of argon shielding gas that is specifically important for processing and sieving of reactive materials.